अमेरिकेच्या काँग्रेसीमुखार सुमार 1 वराच्या भाषणात प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन वेगवेगळे विषय हाताळले. उपाध्यक्ष कमला हॅरिसा सहित अमेरिकेच्या काँग्रेसीच्या वांगड्यांनी ताका उबे रावन ताळयो मारल्यो.
Mr. Speaker, Madam Vice President, distinguished members of the U.S. Congress, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. It is always a great honor to address the United States Congress. It is an exceptional privilege to do so twice. For this honor, I extend my deepest gratitude on behalf of the 1.4 billion people of India. Mr. Speaker, democracy is one of our sacred and shared values. It has evolved over a long time and taken various forms of systems. Throughout history, however, one thing has been clear. Democracy is the spirit that supports equality and dignity. The last few years have seen deeply disruptive developments. With the Ukraine conflict, war has returned to Europe. It is causing great pain in the region. Since it involves major powers, the outcomes are severe. Countries of the global south have been particularly affected. The global order is based on the respect for the principle of the UN Charter, peaceful resolution of disputes, and respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.